2 years ago, I was working 70-hour weeks just to keep my freelance business afloat. Today, I work 25 hours and make triple the revenue. The difference? I automated 80% of the mind-numbing admin work that was eating my life. And no, this isn't some course-selling BS. I'm going to show you the exact AI stack I use, tool by tool, prompt by prompt. The same system that freed up 45 hours per week.
This isn't theory. These are my actual numbers. And before you ask, yes, my clients know I use AI, and they love it. Because here's what nobody tells you. AI doesn't replace human creativity and strategy. It amplifies it by handling everything else.
While you're sleeping, your AI stack is qualifying leads. While you're at lunch, it's writing proposals. While you're doing deep work, it's handling client questions. The future of freelancing isn't about competing with AI. It's about building an AI-powered business that runs itself.
Grab a notebook. What I'm about to share will fundamentally change how you run your business. Let's dive in.
Here's the brutal truth. Most freelancers spend only 20% of their time on billable work. The rest? Admin hell. Every interruption costs you 23 minutes of focus. Multiply that by 20 interruptions a day. You're bleeding productivity.
That $100 hourly rate you charge. After admin time, you're really making $20 an hour. McDonald's managers make more.
You didn't become a freelancer to be a part-time accountant, email manager, and data entry clerk. You came here for freedom. The statistics are depressing. 71% of freelancers work weekends. 55% report higher stress than traditional employment. Your family sees less of you. Your health suffers. And that creative spark that made you great? It's drowning in spreadsheets. Context switching between creative and admin work literally damages your brain's ability to produce quality output. Meanwhile, your competition is already using AI. They're delivering faster, cheaper, and capturing your clients. You're not just tired, you're falling behind. And deep down, you know something has to change, or you'll burn out completely. The freelance graveyard is full of talented people who couldn't scale beyond trading time for money. Don't be next. But what if I told you there's a way out? A complete system that handles 80% of this BS automatically? Here's my exact AI automation stack. 7 tools, perfectly integrated, running 24/7 like a digital team of assistants.
First layer, ChatGPT Custom GPTs. I've built 5 specialized assistants that handle all routine communications.
The secret isn't just using ChatGPT. It's training it with your exact voice, policies, and procedures. Here's my exact prompt template.
Result: client emails answered in under 5 minutes, 24/7. Response quality: clients say it's better than when I did it myself. Second layer, Claude for complex analysis. It reads project briefs and creates comprehensive proposals in 3 minutes instead of 3 hours. I used to spend entire mornings on proposals. Now, I review and tweak Claude's output. 15 minutes max, better results.
Third layer, Zapier automation workflows. When someone inquires, 7 things happen automatically before I even know they exist.
Watch this live demo. Lead comes in, boom, qualified, boom, scheduled, boom, contract drafted. Total human involvement? 0. Fourth layer, Notion AI for content operations. One strategy doc becomes 30 pieces of content across all platforms, automatically.
I write one core idea. Notion AI transforms it into platform-specific content that sounds exactly like me. My audience has no idea.
Fifth layer, Make.com for complex workflows. My entire financial backend runs automatically. Haven't touched QuickBooks in 6 months. Every transaction triggers 12 automatic actions. Invoice sent, payment tracked, taxes calculated, reports updated. It's beautiful. Sixth layer, Perplexity for market research. It monitors competitors, tracks industry trends, and alerts me to opportunities. Last week, it caught a competitor's price increase before they announced it. I adjusted my positioning and won 3 new clients.
Seventh layer, Voice AI for client calls. My AI assistant handles routine check-ins. Sounds exactly like me. Clients love the attention.
I love how responsive you've become.
It feels like you're always available, and the attention to detail is incredible.
Here's the magic. These tools don't work in isolation. They're integrated into one intelligent system that learns and improves daily.
Total cost for this entire stack? $347 a month. That's less than 3 hours of billable work. ROI? Over 2,000% monthly. The time savings are staggering. I got back 43 hours per week. That's literally a full-time job worth of time.
My new schedule? Deep work Monday through Wednesday, calls on Thursday, 3-day weekends, every single week. Revenue tripled not because I worked more, but because I could finally focus on high-value strategic work clients actually pay for. I fired 80% of my clients and tripled my income. The AI handles the volume, I handle the strategy for premium clients only. My stress disappeared. Blood pressure normalized. I actually sleep 8 hours now. Turns out, automation is healthcare.
I took my first real vacation in 3 years. 2 weeks, completely offline. The business ran perfectly without me.
This isn't about replacing yourself. It's about becoming the CEO of your business instead of its most overworked employee. Let's implement this. Step 1. Track every minute for 1 week. You need data on where your time actually goes.
Categorize everything. If you've done it more than twice, it can be automated. If it doesn't require your unique expertise, delegate it to AI.
You will discover something shocking. 80% of your time creates 20% of your value. That's your automation hit list.
Step 2. Start with one automation. Just one. I recommend email responses. It's easy and gives immediate results. Here's my starter prompt template. Copy this exactly, customize the brackets, and watch the magic happen.
The difference between generic AI and trained AI is massive. This prompt makes ChatGPT sound exactly like you.
Within 1 week, you'll save 5 hours minimum. Use that time to implement the next automation. Compound effect begins. Step 3. Document everything. Your templates, processes, common responses. This becomes your AI's training data. Take your best work, emails that got responses, proposals that won deals, and feed them to your AI. Quality in, quality out. Your AI gets smarter every day. The more examples you feed it, the more it sounds and thinks like you. Step 4. Create your first workflow. Email triggers AI response, which updates CRM, which schedules follow-up. Automatic.
No coding required. These tools are built for non-technical people. If you can use Instagram, you can build automations.
Test everything twice. When it works, it's addictive. You'll want to automate everything. That's the right instinct. Step 5. Add one new automation weekly. Email, then proposals, then invoicing, then social media. Systematic progress.
Warning: don't automate everything. Keep 20% human for strategy, creativity, and relationship building. That's where real value lives.
Use AI for routine communication. Step in personally for strategic discussions, problems, and celebrations. Clients notice the difference.
Step 6. Track your metrics religiously. Time saved, revenue per hour, client satisfaction. Data drives optimization.
Every Friday, spend 30 minutes reviewing automation performance. What worked? What broke? What's next? Constant iteration.
Step 7. Be transparent with clients. Position AI as enabling better service, faster delivery, and more strategic focus on their success.
Clients don't care how you deliver results. They care that you deliver. When quality improves and speed increases, they're thrilled.
Here's the counterintuitive part. After implementing AI, raise your prices. You're now offering enterprise-level service. Avoid these pitfalls. Over-automation, weak prompts, no documentation, and skipping tests. These kill most automation attempts. When things break, and they will, don't panic. Every failure teaches you something. My system broke 50 times before becoming bulletproof.
I've created free resources for you. Prompt templates, automation blueprints, and troubleshooting guides. Links in description.
In 30 days, you can automate 80% of your business. Not in theory, in reality. I've helped 500 of freelancers do exactly this.
Let's address the elephant. Won't AI replace me? No. AI replaces tasks, not talent.
The freelancers getting replaced are those refusing to adapt. AI-enhanced freelancers are charging more and delivering better results. But the tools cost money. You spend more on coffee. This investment pays for itself in 2 billable hours. Stop playing small.
I'm not technical.
Neither was I. These tools are easier than Facebook. If you can post on social media, you can do this. AI can't match my quality. We tested this. Clients rated AI-assisted work 12% higher than purely human work. Consistency wins.
I don't have time to set this up. You don't have time not to. 4 hours of setup saves 40 hours monthly. Do the math.
Clients will hate it.
I love how you've systematized everything. It's so professional and reliable now.
It'll make me generic. AI adopts your voice, your style, your expertise. It's a multiplier of uniqueness, not a genericizer. What about job security? AI-enhanced freelancers have 6-month waiting lists. Traditional freelancers are competing on price. Choose your side. The learning curve is too steep. 2 weeks. That's all it takes to become proficient. 2 weeks to change your entire business.
Is this ethical? Is a calculator unethical for accountants? AI is a tool. Using tools to serve clients better is completely ethical.
I'll lose control. You have more control than ever. Every automation has manual override. You're the pilot. AI is autopilot. What if it breaks? Everything has backups. In 18 months, I've had 12 hours total downtime. Your laptop crashes more than this. This won't work in my industry. I've implemented this for writers, designers, consultants, coaches, developers. Every industry works. Stop making excuses. While you're debating, your competition is implementing. The market doesn't wait for the hesitant.
Let me paint you a picture of your life after automation. This isn't fantasy. This is my Tuesday.
You wake up rested, not to 47 urgent emails, but to an AI summary, all handled. 3 items need your strategic input. Your mornings are sacred. 3 hours of uninterrupted deep work on projects that actually move the needle. Pure creation.
Lunch is actually lunch, not scarfing a sandwich while answering emails. Your AI assistant is handling everything beautifully.
Afternoon, 1 strategic client call. You're fully present, adding massive value. AI captures everything, creates follow-ups automatically.
By 3 p.m., you're done. Not because you're lazy, but because you're efficient. The business runs itself after hours.
Evenings are yours. Weekends are yours. You remember why you started freelancing? Freedom. And now you actually have it.
Your income triples while working half the hours. But more importantly, you get your life back, your health back, your family back, the future. Scale to an AI-powered agency or stay solo at premium rates. Both paths are open. You join a new breed of freelancers. We share prompts, automations, strategies. Together, we're redefining what freelancing means. By next year, 60% of successful freelancers will use AI. The question isn't if you'll adopt it, but whether you'll be early or late. Your competitors are implementing this right now. Tomorrow, they'll pitch your clients with better prices and faster delivery. The cost of inaction? $60,000 minimum in lost revenue this year, plus 500 hours of unnecessary work. Calculate your own numbers. The early adopter window is closing. Once AI becomes standard, you lose the competitive advantage. Strike now or struggle later. 500 top freelancers transformed their businesses in under 30 days using this exact system. They're not special, they just started. Your action plan for today. 3 simple steps that take 30 minutes total. By tonight, you will have your first automation running. I have prepared everything you need. Prompts, templates, guides, community access. All free. Link below. No excuses left. Join our 30-day automation challenge. 1 small task daily. By day 30, you'll have transformed your entire business. We'll guide you. In 30 days, you will either be automated and free or still drowning in the same BS. The choice is yours. Choose wisely. Once you master basics, here's where it gets interesting. Multiple specialized AI agents working as your virtual team. These agents talk to each other. Sales AI qualifies leads, passes to onboarding AI, which briefs project AI. 0 human involvement. Your AI predicts client churn 30 days out, implements retention strategies automatically. I haven't lost a client in 8 months. AI dynamically prices projects based on 15 variables. Result? 34% higher average project value, 90% close rate. 1 strategic idea becomes 50 pieces of content across all platforms. You think once, AI amplifies everywhere. AI predicts project success probability before you start. It suggests changes to guarantee better outcomes. Client satisfaction, 98%. AI identifies upsell opportunities, creates proposals, and times them perfectly. Upsell revenue increased 300% with 0 effort. Every client interaction teaches the system. Your AI gets smarter daily, building an invaluable knowledge base automatically.
I now serve 50 enterprise clients solo. Each feels like they're my only client. AI makes the impossible possible.
Ultimate goal? A business that runs without you, sellable for 7 figures or generating passive income forever. That's the end game.
Let's recap. You're drowning in admin work. AI can handle 80% of it. You focus on what matters. Life transforms.
This isn't hope. It's math. Implement this system, save 40 hours weekly. It's not possible to fail if you follow the steps.
Don't take my word for it. 500 plus freelancers have proven this works. Different industries, different countries, same results.
The system works. The tools exist. The path is clear. The only variable is you. Will you act or will you wait?
2 doors. Behind one, more of the same struggle. Behind the other, freedom you've been chasing. Which do you choose? Your first step is below. Free automation toolkit. No catches, no courses to sell. Just the exact system that changed everything. 6 months from now, you will either thank yourself for starting today or regret waiting. Future you is watching. Don't let them down. 43 hours weekly, 3x revenue, 80% less stress, 100% more life. This is not a dream. This is your next 30 days.
Subscribe for weekly automation strategies. Every video saves you 5+ hours. The compound effect is massive.
Stop trading time for money. Start building systems that work for you. Your freedom starts the moment you decide. Decide now.